long time no see. And this is a new setup. I'm at a staycation at Grand Hyatt Hotel, and this is like the living room area, and I was like, what better time than to do a video? So I hope the lighting is okay. I have like lots of sunlight coming in from here, and yeah, so I got a huge bag of KSISTERS goodies to show you guys, and I'm very excited. So let's start with some skincare cleansing products. So first off is this one by Levine. Am I pronouncing it correctly? It's the Perfect Balance Daily Cleansing Foam, and comes with a pump like this. Should I just pump out some? Okay. Here. Oh, I have not opened this at all. Oh, wow, that's a huge foam. Oh, smells really fresh. Okay, I don't know what to do on my hand now. I mean, here, show you guys the texture. Wow, it feels really creamy and very cleansing. What kind of, yeah, but as you can see, this is like an unboxing slash haul, so I really, wow, it is really very creamy. I think you just need one pump. Okay, I need to clean myself up. Okay, I'm back. I should have put tissues next to me before I started, but anyway, just wash the foam off to me. And am I crazy, or this looks a bit whiter now? The light is coming in from here, remember. My hand feels extremely clean right now and not over drying, feels very smooth. Okay, next up, I'm not gonna try this because it's another cleanser. I have no idea how to read the name, so you guys can read the name yourself. Yeah, so it's a powder cleanser. I think you just mix it with water and then you can clean your face. And moving on to skincare. I mean, we are still on skincare. I mean, moving on to cream. So there's this, I received this like, BB. Basically, it says it has enriched peptides that quickly and effectively take care of vulnerable skin, strengthening the skin's protective barrier and rejuvenating stressed skin. So I read online, right? I think this is supposed to be used with like, I think they do like some needle thing, dermo. I don't know what's that called, but it's supposed to be with some other package. But I only have the repair cream, so just toy it off. How does it smell? It smells really, I can't really smell it. Okay, oh, it's like a gel consistency. Gel, half cream consistency. And then, oh, it's very light, very easy to spread out. Has a very light scent. I think if you're not using it with the needle thingy, that needle roller, you can just use this as like a light moisturizer. Feels really light. Then next we have the by Ecom Honey Glow and Peel. I think this is the whitening slash anti-wrinkle one. Yep. And then let's go ahead and open that. It's a dropper kind of thing. Whoa. I love this kind of thing. It's like super fun. Okay, I'll just drip 2 times. I think 1 time will be sufficient. And I'll spread it out. Ooh, it's thin, and I wouldn't say it's not sticky at all. Okay, wait, hang on, let me spread it all out. It's not 100% non-sticky. There's still a slight, ever so slightly, I can feel my skin. Yeah, but it's okay, it's okay. I can handle that. And then the last of the skincare products would be this mask by Common Labs. It's the Glutamine C Real Gel Mask. I think there's 2 steps. The step 1 is this peeling pad, and step 2 is the mask itself, I guess. So I'm gonna open it because I want to put this mask in the fridge so I can enjoy it tonight. Oh, there's how many? 5 pieces in here, and then you can see that it comes like this. So step 1, step 2 so basically step 1 is a double-sided embossed peeling pad that you're supposed to like rub and basically what's that called? Remove your dead skin cell, and then the bottom is the gel mask. I think I will just throw the whole thing inside the fridge so it will be cool and nice for tonight. Then I have 3 more items from KSISTERS. These are makeup items. I will leave the one that I'm most excited for the last. So let's go with this first. This is by I think CLE, the Essence Moonlighter Cushion. This is in shade Glinting Buff. Yep, Glinting Buff. I have not opened it, so let's open it together. So once you open it, there's like, as every cushion, there's a puff. I'm gonna remove that for now. And then when you open it, I have not peeled this, as you can see. Let's peel this together. Yeah. Whoa. Looks like a normal BB cushion, but it's a highlighter, I guess. Or is it supposed to be? Yeah, it's called Moonlighter Cushion, so it's a highlighter. So let's try and get some on the puff. The puff is a nice egg shape. Looks like an egg. And then we will go here. I will just press twice. 1, 2. And then that's the product there. It actually kind of looks more like foundation in this light. Let me try it on my hand. Okay. Oh, it's like a very soft yellow. It's like a yellow highlight. It's very soft though. And it's kind of like my skin tone actually. Not sure if there will be a highlighting effect on me. It's not glittery. It's light shimmer. It's a very light shimmer. Then the second last item we have is Ulip in the, I think this is the shade name called Darling Nude. If I'm not wrong, it's a coloured lip balm. And let's open this. And this packaging is super nice. And it's magnetic closure. Wow, I love about that. And now, let's twist this baby up. Wow! I always get so excited unboxing like new lipsticks, right? Oh, let's see how long this can go. Careful. Okay, that's the tip. Compared with my hand. My hands are pretty huge, so yeah. Let's have a look at this beauty. It looks like MLBB, my lips but better. But as this is a lip balm, I'm not sure about color payoff, but let's swatch about it. But really enjoy this beautiful clean cut of this lip balm before I swatch it, because it will be gone. Okay, let's go slower a bit because we do not want to break this. Okay. Oh, that's quite a lot of color payoff for a tinted lip balm. Wow. Okay, I can't really swatch properly. Let me do like that. Wow, I love this color. It's like a muted rose. It's those like, you know, the 豆沙色. Yeah. Should I put it on my lips? I should. I have nothing on right now, by the way, because I literally just sat down. I have nothing on my face right now and nothing on my lips. Let's try the Ulip. Okay, lower a bit. Oh no. Did I? Oh. See the difference? Okay, I like this. The color payoff is amazing. Actually, you know what? I need to search this up right now. I don't think it's a tinted lip balm. Did I Google the wrong thing? Let's see. Hang on now. Ah, okay. I think there's 2 range. There's a super creamy lipstick and the lip balm version. So this is actually their super creamy lipstick. My bad. Okay. Yeah. So you can see here on KSISTERS side. Mine is the Daring Nude, which is here. Yep. You can go to KSISTERS.sg to check it out yourself. But anyway, Daring Nude is really pretty. And it feels like quite lightweight and Just now when I applied, super creamy. This is the swatch again for your reference. Wow. Okay. And the last item that I'm most excited about. Once again, I don't know if I'm pronouncing the brand name correctly. Dasik. Yeah. This is their new shadow palette in number 5 Sunset Molly. Yeah, here. Yep. And the packaging is so cute. This reminds me of like school files. Yeah. I love doing school files like this. And I just open, and then there's a little pamphlet. There's like eyeshadow looks inside. Yep. And then the palette itself. Are you ready for this beauty? I don't think you are, but here we go. Okay, I'm making sound effects. Yeah, and look, it's a small, nice, 9 shadow palette. That's like my palm size. So this is really great for travel, for staycations. Yeah. So I'm gonna open this. Oh, there's a protective film, so you know you're getting new, authentic products. Yeah. Okay, let's get that out of the way. These are the 9 colors. So pretty, right? And well, it really fits. I mean, the name is called Sunset Molly, so you have like your browns, your orange, your reds, and your pinks. This can create your everyday look to your evening look, so it's really perfect. Okay. And with that, I'm done with like sharing what I got from KSISTERS. I will be trying them all out, so tell me if you're interested to see me try them out. Also, I don't upload like frequently on my YouTube anymore, so follow me on my Instagram, and that's where my daily nonsensical updates are at. Okay, that's all for now. I need to prepare and grab a bite before I hit the pool at 6 PM later. Goodbye! Or should I say annyeong?